feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A yellow warning light on your refrigerator usually signals minor issues like temperature changes or a door not fully closed. To reset it, ensure the door seals are tight and the fridge isn't overloaded. Then, unplug it for 5 minutes to clear error codes. Plug it back in and the light should turn off. If it stays on, check your manual or call a technician.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.